You will be amazed by this 2018 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.